the puppet in a Cowboy Baby advertisement. It's baby-like. Get Cowboy Baby for 3 easy payments of $100. It can do many tricks. Doing the worm, doing the worm, doing the worm. Woo, 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 y'all. Shaking it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shaking it, shaking it. Whoop-a-doop-a-doop, 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 whoop-a-doop-a-doop. Shaking it, 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 shaking it. Call now and get a free this thing. And this thing. Die, die, die. Look, his leg even comes off. Call the number at the bottom of your screen and get Cowboy Baby with the it and the other it. 1-800-606-0606-0606-0606-0606-0606-0608. With a total of 3,075.8 moms. You can use the babies to feed the other babies. Cowboy Baby.